Hi, I'm Miles and I'm going to show you how I professionally clean the pool from start to finish.
This pool's not looking too good. Going to get the submersible pump out straight away, pump the water out and then come back the next day. So here we are the next day. It's empty, but there's like a blanket of algae all over the pool. I'm going to shovel it all up, put it in buckets.
Basically, the green sludge is after a pool's been left for a long time without any chlorine or any sanitizer in the pool, you'll get algae build up. Most of them don't smell that bad, but when the sludge is really thick on the bottom and you like disturb it, because obviously it's not been disturbed for a long time, the smell that comes out is crazy. Basically, when we had the pool empty, we realised how many frogs there were. I'd never seen so many frogs in a pool before in my life. Like every scoop, every shovelful, there was maybe 1 or 2 frogs on it. So we had to get them out, put them on the side of the pool and let them run off into the bushes. So we used hydrochloric acid mixed with water, so it was diluted down.
Get out the old Karcher K4, start pressure washing the pool down. It's all coming up pretty well.
At the bottom of the pool there's a main drain. There'd been some work done around the pool, like the slabbing and that. Obviously there's a lot of leaves gone into the pool, so a lot of muck at the bottom and just built up and solidified, so that had to be broken up. Nothing special, it was just a screw, like an old screwdriver from the van. Helped to get into it, break it up, and then hoovered out. The dirtiest parts on the pool are going to be the filters, because basically they have the water runs through the filters continuously or on a timer. The blue tank is the filter with sand in, and that keeps the pool water clean. What it does is catches all the dirt and the stuff that's floating around in the pool. So that's and then once a week, once every 2 weeks, whenever I go and do a maintenance, you do a backwash, and that gets rid of all the dirt and anything that's been floating around in the pool.
New sand in, cut it open. Got to do 5 bags of sand for this 24-inch filter. Slip the lid back on.
So when I do the chemicals, and they all look the same, chlorine as well, they're all just like sort of white powder. But basically I'm just balancing the chemicals on the swimming pools when I'm doing the maintenance.
A few bags of salt needed, 3 25-kilo bags. Basically what happens when you pour it in, it goes through the system and runs through a salt cell, which is just a chlorine generator. So as it's running through the salt cell, it uses a process called electrolysis. I think I said it right. Basically just turning it into chlorine for the pool. Get the brush out, brush it all around so it's not just sitting on the floor. And that's that job done.
This was definitely the worst pool I've worked on in terms of how dirty it was and how much algae there was, and the smell was just ridiculous. It was unbearable at sometimes. It didn't take me all day, it didn't take too long. I know it looks like a lot of mess, but it went pretty well. A lot of people say to me, you know, don't you ever just feel like just jumping in the pool? I mean, on a really hot day I do, but other than that, I'm not really that bothered about it.